So, to summarise in terms of the final components of this presentation, we've finished in terms of the CIM best practices, and we're just going to briefly touch on the responsibilities that are registered and recognised within the company. And would like to really focus in on two particular areas: the responsibility of the Fortuna Silver Mines corporate staff and the responsibility of all operational project staff. So in terms of Fortuna's responsibilities, it is the responsibility of all staff contributing to the reporting of mineral resources and mineral reserves to be familiar with NI 43-101 and CIM best practices. And these tasks include, but are not restricted to, all of the following particular activities. If you're involved with drilling and sampling protocol, if you're involved with any type of the geological studies, if you're involved with database maintenance, if you're involved with QA/QC analysis, if you're involved with reconciliation, if you're involved with mineral resource estimation or mineral reserve estimation. In any shape or form, if you're involved with any of these particular items, then you should be familiar with those particular areas within the CIM best practices that deals with those particular items, and also in terms of NI 43-101, if you are requested in any way to validate or support any type of public release in respect to those particular items. Qualified persons are responsible for ensuring the above tasks are conducted in accordance with NI 43-101 guidelines and CIM best practices. So it's their responsibility to check that everything is okay. In terms of the project staff, there are a number of different responsibilities in respect to the operational staff and how they conduct themselves. It is the responsibility of the project staff to ensure the data being used in the mineral resource and reserve estimation is reliable and up to date, and therefore the responsibilities include the following. They should ensure that drilling and sampling protocols meet the best industry practices and those protocols which have been set up internally within the company, that geological controls are studied and well understood and represented in the geological models, that all databases are validated and well maintained with data being entered in a timely manner, that assay results are precise, accurate and reliable with assessment using ongoing QA/QC analysis, and estimates are assessed through regular reconciliation of mine and production information. So these are probably the most important responsibilities in terms of the operational staff, but certainly not the only. And within the company, it's very much everyone's individual responsibility to ensure that the work is conducted to the best quality that can be achieved, and that as a minimum we meet the CIM best practices and we strive for even better levels.